guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to make a foot lotion for my feet. And I have measured out my oils in here, my emulsifiers. I just have one oil in here, olive oil, and I'm using shea butter. So just an oil and a butter. I have I have in here, yeah, I have the emulsify fine wax, all the emulsify. I'm using 3 different emulsify wax. So and my water is here, and I do have some silks that I need to put in here also. No, sorry, I mistakenly put it in the water, but that's okay. When the water and the butters and oil is heated to 160, it will come together. And I am using a bit of menthol crystal because for the feet, and some essential oils. I'm using some peppermint oil, eucalyptus, and some camphor oil. So I'm going to heat this up, and I do have to do the heat and hold, where you heat it and you hold it at 160. You heat it, you hold it for about 20 minutes at the same temperature. You can use a double boiler for this. I heat it up in my oven, and I set it to where I want it to stay at a certain temperature. So I'll get that done, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am ready to make my foot lotion. Just gonna check the oils. Okay, I get my gloves on. These gloves still seems to want to go on. Okay, let's try it on the next hand over here. Alright, so I'm going to, ooh, this is hot, this is hot, this is hot. Let me get some paper towel here and do this, because see how it changes color right away. Let's see if I can get you closer or not. Let's just get this. Okay. color to this. Some I did add some dye and a bit of water, and you can see the color change. I'm sure you can see the color change to a very light green color. Want to show you guys, that's my foot lotion, and it's almost time for me to add some essential oils in this, and I will be adding my preservative in here when it gets to about 115 Fahrenheit. It's about 123 now, and I don't know if you can see the greenish color. Does have slight green color. See, it's all, that's all lotion. Okay, I think I can add, I'm doing one part of each. So I'm using camphor oil, not a whole lot, just about, see, that's about about a quarter of a mil in there. It's about 3 drops. And some eucalyptus. Ooh, this is gonna be my happy feet. 3 drops. Okay, 3 drops of that. 3 drops of I don't want to put any fragrance in this. It's gonna be all essential oils. 1, 2, 3 drops. Yeah, so that's about it. And let me just blend that up. Okay, I am finished making my lotion, my foot lotion, and I'm ready to put this into my container. I should use a piping bag, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna scoop it in there. I am messy. Just tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it down. Okay. I think I have enough for both containers. I already put my sorry, I'm using Dermal Plus with this recipe. And yeah, Dermal Plus for this recipe. Let's see if I can get all of this out of the bowl. Scrape, scrape, and scrape all of it out of the bowl. I don't have much of it to scrape out of the bowl. Just tap it down. If you don't want to be messy like me, put it in a you could put it in a Ziploc bag and cut the edge, or a piping bag, and that's it. And it's still hot, so I'm not going to cover this as yet. I just let this cool down because it's still hot to the touch. I can feel it through my gloves. Okay, and that's it for my foot lotion. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.